I don't have any intent to be a crypto channel. I could just as easily be a Subway channel, have Vin on every day, break it down for us. I had the rotisserie chicken. First time. Over here, the guy you said, who's loaded up with rotisserie.
Loaded.
He's got a full bucket of rotisserie sitting there. And I had it heated up. I had the rotisserie heated up as well.
Yeah.
And as far as Subway goes, it was a great time.
Yeah.
As far as Subway goes, it was a great time.
Yeah.
Like, you know, with Subway, they're making the sandwich in 2 seconds. So you gotta
What? This
show your
I thought I
expectation
saw-
a little bit. It does not look like that, for the record. It's a little more shredded and it's a little more beat up. Yeah, it looks like that.
Well, go up to the top. I thought I saw they're discontinuing rotisserie chicken. Or
This one? Oh, the roast beef?
Subway discontinued.
Oh, and the chicken.
What?
Oh, you got Vin's attention. That was June 22nd of 2020. No, they didn't discontinue it. Maybe in certain markets. We still got it. Although Vin didn't find it at the other location.
Running on old chicken.
Chicken reserves?
You know what I put? You know what's crazy? What I did with it is I put a little bit of Southwest sauce.
Yeah, you could do whatever you want with it.
But it totally created a unique experience.
Yeah.
And because it wasn't the first one you would think to put over there. Like Southwest, I mean, it wasn't the first one you would think. Which one are you putting on the rotisserie?
No sauce.
A dry one.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Bold.
Care to explain?
Cheese,
Yeah.
lettuce, tomato, onion, salt, pepper. Done.
Which is the bread of choice?
Italian urban cheese.
Easy.
I'm getting that on everything.
That's a little bit extravagant, though.
That's good.
Italian urban cheese?
Mm-hmm.
A little bit luxurious, though.